over here at the Melrose and do a walkthrough. They're installing the water line for municipal and also fire suppression. They're also framing. So they're cutting concrete, excavating down. The water line shut down Colorado Avenue. This is where we were last week. They've sistered floor joists, leveled the floor, and put in new OSB 3/4, so then we can put the new hardwood over the top. This is the section that work on the framing over here. Bathroom. So 1 room, 2 rooms, they're working on the third here. They're moving pretty quickly. And they're having to fur out all the walls. So we'll be doing insulation. So B for sound and also percent for the tight envelope. The exterior brick, so it'll seal it all off. Okay, we're out here at the front of Melrose. This week we had new water lines going in. We had to put in a 1.5 inch line, water main, and then we have our fire line, which is a 4 inch. And here, so we're on the other side of the street of the water, so they had to dig up everything and remove all the concrete, shut down the street so that we can get the water in, or water across, so they can do their hot taps over on the other side of the street. Just gonna take a look. So here we have this is our 4 inch valve, and then over here we have just our 1.5 inch for the main domestic water. So they're going to be filling in this next week. Be able to open up the road. We'll go inside and take a look at what it looks like down there.